Canva AI Image Generator tutorial, how to generate images on Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with generating images on Canva. So let's get into it. Now, to generate images on Canva is really simple. AI-based image generators are currently super popular and they are taking everything by a storm. So Canva has also integrated that, but it's a lesser known feature and not a lot of people know about it. Now, to access this, you can open up any design of your choice, or if you want to get started with your own customized size, you can do that as well. So let's say I want to design a post for Instagram. I'm just going to search for Instagram over here. And there are a bunch of different Instagram templates, but I might just want a Instagram post template. And then I can click on start with a blank image, and I'm just going to be using an empty canvas over here. And now a lot of people ask, where is the text to image AI generator? Because it's not a feature that is highlighted often on Canva. So to be able to generate your images, you're going to click on apps on the bottom left. Once you click on apps, you're going to find a bunch of different apps, but first, a lot of people search for text to image. However, that was the previous name of the AI generator on Canva. Currently, it is now known as Magic, so it's called Magic Media. And if you can't find it, like I just clicked on it, you're just going to search for Magic Media over here. And the first application, the one that is created by Canva, that's the one that you're looking for. So just click on open over here. And just like that, all you have to do is get started now. So you guys can see you have two options. You can actually do text to video now on Canva as well. This is a newly introduced feature. However, I would suggest that the quality of the videos is not going to be as good as it would be on images. And with images, you also have multiple different styles present as well. Now, keep in mind that if you take a look at the image tool generation, you can only generate images if you are upgraded to Canva Pro. So you will have to eventually upgrade to Canva Pro to be able to access these kinds of features. So if I just want to draw a dog in a dreamy style, and I can choose the aspect ratio and I can click on generate image, and then it will generate the image for us. Now, keep in mind that when you're using these images, you're going to have to redraft them maybe, because if you're not providing a lot of detail, so I have this image that I really like, I can add that over here. You guys can see I have used one of my credits of my 49 credits, and I can, generate more variations of this. I can ask it to make it more detailed as well, but I like these images. These are actually really cute and they're all very similar. So I might want to build like a collage or something. I can build a frame for us. We're building an Instagram post, so it might be a awareness post. So this is just like one example. You can build something that's super artistic with the AI image generator as well. So even with your basic images, you can do a lot with these AI generated images as well. So I might want to put in like a grid. I'll show you guys a few different things you can do. So taking a simple page, I would just go into my frames over here, or just go into shapes like this, and I can put in like 4 square frames like this, making sure that both of these are the same size over here. Now they're a bit too small, so I'm just going to expand it a little like this. And then I'm just going to copy and paste these to the bottom as well. Now taking our AI generated images, I can put these all in here. Let's say for our Instagram post, I want to post something that's like related to taking care of dogs. I'm going to put in a shape, and then I'm just going to place this at the center like this. And then I'm going to make this like a brown color, a darker brown, and then go into transparency on the top right. Make it pretty translucent over here. And then I'm going to go into the text section. I'm going to resize this a little. And then I'm going to enter my text. So it might be dog care tip of the day. Feed them one treat before going on a walk, you know, whatever might be your Instagram post. I'm just going to place it over here. Now I'm just showing you guys, this is just one way you can use your AI generated images. You can create so many different types of images. If I go back into Magic Media over here, I'll show you guys some of the more interesting prompts that you can go with. So you can click on try an example. Gladly of minimalist work desk with tablet and pens, dimlit room with people eating at a table, 18th century. This is gonna probably look pretty nice and artistic. So let's say I want to add more interesting elements into this. Focus on one extremely beautiful girl in the center, and everyone else is blurred like this. So I'm going to click on generate image over here, and then I'm just going to wait for the generation to be completed. Now currently Canva hasn't introduced a feature where you can upload pre-existing images and then edit them. However, it's probably going to be included because a lot of AI or learning models have been including these. So we have added this. Now, 3 of their generations did not meet these policies, so it's all right. We can, you know, go back and enter a different prompt. So if I want to maybe build a pattern, I want to build a design, I want to build maybe website content, for all of that, this can make it so much more easier and so much more simpler for us to get started with. So these are just a couple of examples. I can further, you know, include a bunch of different things. So a lighthouse on a remote island, a person looking out from the lighthouse like this. So now it has generated all our images. So show you guys these images. These looks really nice, and the best part is that the art style with these are super nice. So we have this image, we also have this one that is more artistic, and this one as well. So there are quite a lot of different things you can get created with Canva.
So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.